We will continue with the TriBall exercise, so I will click Open and I come to my working directory, and here I will choose TriBall 2. So I will select it and click Open, and we will assemble these parts. So we will begin with the green part, the rod with the ball at the end, and we'll turn on the TriBall and we will place this ball inside this socket. So we right click on the center handle and choose to center point, and we will choose the center point of this surface, not this center point in the middle, but the center point of the surface. So I will click here and it will fit perfectly in that socket. Then we will position the rod so that it will go right through this hole. And to do that we will use this orientation handle. You can right click the orientation handle and choose parallel to axis, and we will choose this curved surface. The question is, which side of the midpoint should we choose? Well, if I choose this side, it will turn the other way around. So I have to undo it. Then I deselect the axis by clicking outside the TriBall. Then I right click again, choose parallel to axis, and I will choose this side of the midpoint of this surface, and it will go right through that hole. But there is another way to do it. So I will undo, deselect the axis by clicking outside the TriBall. I can also grab this handle by press and hold the left mouse button, drag, and if I come over to this side of the midpoint, you will see a preview of the edge of this rod. So I will let go the left mouse button when the cursor is here, and it will go right through that hole. So I will turn off the TriBall by pressing the Q key on the keyboard. Next is to place this yellow part here in the center of this edge. But first we have to rotate it in the right direction. So I will select the TriBall and I will right click this handle and choose perpendicular to face, and I will select that face. So now it is standing in the right position, but there is another way to do it here as well. So I will undo this and I will deselect the handles by clicking outside the TriBall. You can also grab this handle by press and hold the left mouse button and drag to this side, and you see a preview of that yellow part that is standing perpendicular to this side. So I will let go the left mouse button here. Then I deselect the handles by clicking outside the TriBall. Next we'll be placing this yellow part in the center point of this edge, and you can do that by right clicking the center handle and to choose center point of this edge. But there is another way to do it. So I will undo it and I will grab this center handle, press and hold the left mouse button, drag it to this edge. When I touch the edge, I will also press and hold the Shift key on the keyboard. So now it will be placed in the center of this edge, in the center point of this edge. So I will let go the left mouse button and then the Shift key. Then I will turn off the TriBall by pressing the Q key. Next I will create a hole here in the center, so I will use a cut cylinder, drag it and drop it here in the center of the yellow part, and I will change the diameter to 15 and hit enter. And I will turn on the TriBall and I will move this hole up a bit, drop it there and type 20 and hit enter. Now we will make a hole pattern by using the TriBall. So I will deselect this axis by clicking outside the TriBall, and then I will unlock the TriBall by pressing the spacebar, and I'll right click the center handle and choose the center point of this edge. Then lock the TriBall by using the spacebar, select this axis, and then I will press and hold the right mouse button inside the TriBall, and then I will push and let go the right mouse button, and from this menu I will choose link here. Number will be 5. I will have 5 more holes. The angle will be 360 divided by 6. We will have 6 holes in total. So I will click OK, and we have our hole pattern. Then I turn off the TriBall. Now when one of these holes are selected, we can drag or change the size or diameter of this hole, and all the others will also change because they are linked. So I will turn back to 15 there, and I hit enter, like so. Next we will copy some holes. We see that there is only one hole here and we need 3 more. So I will select this hole and turn on the TriBall, and I will move the TriBall to the center of this bracket. So I will loosen the TriBall by pressing the spacebar, right click the center handle and choose the center point of this hole here, and then I will lock the TriBall by pressing the spacebar, and then I will right click this orientation handle and choose mirror and link. Now we have a hole here on this side. So I turn off the TriBall and shift select a new hole here. Then I turn on the TriBall again, and it will be placed in the same position as before. And now I can right click this orientation handle and to choose mirror and link, and we have 4 holes. Then I turn off the TriBall. Then I also will change the depth of the hole, so I will grab this height handle and use the shift key to snap to the bottom of this bracket. So all 4 holes have the same depth now. Like so. Then I use the D key to fit the scene in the camera. So it's very easy to assemble parts by using the TriBall, or if we want to move, copy, rotate and so on, it's very easy to do that by using the TriBall. So TriBall is a very powerful tool. That was the last exercise when it comes to TriBall. So I will close this scene